Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, today I'm going to be showing you my updated eyebrow filling routine. So this is how my eyebrows looks unfilled. So today from scratch I'm going to be showing you what I'm currently doing, and if you want to know how I do my eyebrows, then please keep on watching. So basically these three are the main products, are the major primary products for my eyebrow filling routine. I use these three colors randomly: black, grayish brown and dark brown, to fill in my eyebrows. Now depending upon your hair color, you have to choose your eyebrow product. So today I'm going to be showing you this Loreal brow pomade in shade ebony. This is a grayish brown color, and I use this with a brush that comes in along with, and I'm just going to draw two lines, like I'm going to shape it in the area where I have marked in the picture which is attached on the screen. So I'm just going to be starting up and doing the arch as per my preference. So this is completely optional. If you really want some kind of arch or shape on your eyebrow, you can do that, and it is completely optional. You can draw like how you like, and I prefer this one. This is the right amount of arch I like, and to intensify the color I use black. And this is also completely optional. If you don't want heavily done eyebrows, you can skip using black. Just the dark brown or the grayish brown gives you like a very natural subtle look, and this is how my eyebrows look once the first part of my drawing is done. So I do the same for the other eyebrow, and I make sure that not both the eyebrows don't exactly look the same. I just make sure that the arch is kind of similar but not exactly ditto. So I just do that and fill in my eyebrows, and I also make sure that I use black only on the areas where I have a lot of hair on my eyebrows. So next is like I use the same grayish brown color, and I work on the first inner part of my eyebrows as I have shown you here. So I draw very thin line on the lower part, and I draw like this imaginary or artificial hair kind of strokes with the same product. And this brush actually helps in giving this fine lines which actually looks like hair. And the next product that I use for my eyebrow is this muscular eyebrow cake. It's a powder product, and the brush is very convenient. It comes in along with the product. So I use the darkest shade to work on my eyebrows. Now if you have light brown hair, you can go with applying some brown color onto your eyebrows. That actually complements your hair color. Since I have black color, I use a darker colors on my eyebrows. So I just make sure I put very less pressure on the inner part. Like when I fill in the inner part of my eyebrows, I put very little pressure so that the product actually goes very less on those areas. Only on the outer second and third part, I make sure the color intensity is more. So once after that, I'm using the spoolie end and wiggling through my hair to make sure that there are no clumps of product, and also to make sure that it looks as natural as possible. So once after this is done, and usually I don't do my eye makeup before doing my eyebrows. So for video purpose, I completed my eye makeup. So when I don't have my eyeshadow or any other thing on my eyelids, this step is very convenient. Now this is also very optional. I do this to make my eyebrows stand very prominent and to look very crisp and nice. So that's the only aim of this. I'm just basically correcting and concealing the areas underneath my eyebrows with foundation or concealer. Once after that is done, I'm just filling in with some highlighter, and with that my eyebrow filling routine is done. If you like to set your eyebrow hair with some gel or spray, you can definitely do that, but I don't prefer. And I also like to show you this brush. I will link to the brush in the description box below. Now this one is a very affordable brush. I got it from Amazon. It has the spoolie end and an angular brush on the other end, which is very convenient to work on your eyebrows. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it and find it useful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.